So in this chapter we are learning about how to read and write numbers using different place value systems. Yesterday we have studied about Indian place value system. Now we are going to study about international place value system. So once again revise, what is Indian place value system? Indian place value system. So in Indian place value system, there are four main periods. Those are units, thousands, lakhs, crores. These are the four main periods represented in Indian place value system. Now each period is having how many places? So as I told you yesterday, unit place is having three places. Those are 1, 10, 100, and thousand place is having two digits, that is thousands and 10,000, and lakh place also having two digits, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores place also having two digits, crores, 10 crores. So except the unit period, remaining every period is having only two digits. So about this we have studied yesterday. Now I will explain about international place value system and we will compare with Indian place value system. So take the international place value system. International place value system. So in international, so here main periods are units, thousands, and millions. After the millions, we will get billions. So now just observe. Here we are getting main periods are units, thousands, millions, billions, like that. Now unit place is having three digits. Thousands place also having three digits. Millions place also having three digits. So what are those places we will see? Unit place consisting ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands place thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Coming to millions, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So here each period is having three digits. That is the Indian place value system. Except the unit period, remaining all the periods having only two digits, two places. So coming to this international place value system, every period is having three digits. Now see, unit places having ones, tens, hundreds places. Thousands period is having thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Millions period is having millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. So what are the places are there in the millions period? If they are asking the question, you must say about millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. If they are asking how many places are there in the thousands place in international place value system, then also three, those are thousands, 10,000, and 100,000. And coming to this, how many place values are there in place of thousands in Indian place value system? Only two, that is 1,000 and 10,000. Lakhs is 10 lakhs. Coming to crores period, crores and 10 crores. So these are the points to remember. So in Indian place value system, four main periods are units, thousands, lakhs, crores. Coming to the international place value system, three main periods, units, thousands, millions. And further we have billions also. And here except the unit period, only unit period consisting three digits, remaining every period consisting two digits. Coming to this international place value system, every period consisting three places. So that is the main difference between both the Indian system and international system. Now we will take an example and we will verify both the systems, how they are related. So just observe. I am taking the number 53,124. Like this, I have taken one number. Now I want to represent this number in Indian place value system and national place value system. 1, 10, 100. So in Indian place value system units and it is thousands, 10,000. So it is thousands place. And coming to international place value system, 53,124, 1, 10, 100, thousands, 10,000, 100,000 place is 0. Units, thousands. That means how we will read this number? Just observe 53,000, 124, 124. So coming to another place value system, how we are reading this number? 053, that is nothing but 53 only. So 53,000, 124, 124. So there is no change in both the system when we are getting 5 digits. Ones place, both are same. Tens, hundreds, there is no change. Units period, same for both the system. Coming to the thousands period, till 10,000, there is no change for Indian system and international system. That's why come for larger numbers. That means 6th digit. If we are including the 6th digit here, then it will represent 2,53,124. Coming to this one, 253,124. So first of all, how we need to write in our international value system? You see, after that we will compare with the both the systems. So I am taking now 356,015,423. Like this, I have one number. I want to represent this number by using international place value system. By using international place value system. So I want to express this number by using the international place value system. So just observe, in international place value system, every period consisting 3 places. So from right side, separate by using the commas. Separate the period. 1, 10, 100. Units period. Again 3 digits for thousands period. 3 digits for millions period. So main periods in the international system are units, thousands, and millions. Each period having 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. Now read that place number. So to write it as 356 million. And in thousands place, one of the digit is 0. That is 100 digit we got 0. That means that number is 15. So 15,423. So we will write now 356 million. 356 million. 15,423. 423. This is the way to represent the number by using the international place value system. First of all, I have given the number 356,415,72. Like this, I have given. In this, how we can represent this number? So write yourself. Try to write. First step, we need to insert the commas between each period. So we need to insert the commas from right side. 1, 2, 3. Again, before this, 1, 2. So units, millions are so 35 million. 35 million. And in thousands place 641, that means 641. 641,000. So that number is in the place of thousand. So we need to write thousands. and 572. 572. So observe this number, how I'm reading. 641,572. So that is the way to write a number using the international place value system. When they are represented the numbers, you need to write them in the words. If in the question they are mentioned by taking the words, you need to write them in the figures. So you see, for that I'll give two examples. So I'm giving one of the numbers, 5 million, 102. So like this, I have given one of the number in words. So I want to write it in the figures. So just observe here, what are the periods they have mentioned in the question? Observe. If they are mentioned lakhs, crores, that is comes under Indian place value system. But what are the periods mentioned here? Observe, millions, thousands, like that given. So it is comes for international place value system. So first place value was millions, and next one is thousand, next one is unit. How many millions are there? 5 millions. So zero, actually millions place is having 3 digits. So 005, otherwise directly 5 you are writing, nothing will happen. Next 453. 453,102. 102. That's all. This is the required number. 102. That's it. So if I suppose I'm writing another number. 100 million. 73,000. 55. Like this, I have given one of the numbers. Now I want to write again by using the numeration system. Just observe here, millions given. So it is again international place value system. So first, list the main periods in the international place value system. Now coming to the million place, 100 million, 100 million, 73,000, 73%. We will get only 2 digits, but in place, how many digits we have to get? In each period, we must get a 3 digits. That's why 73, right? So whatever letter, whatever digit is missing, replace with 0. And next, 55. 55 in the sense 055. That's all. So remember all these things. Whenever you are writing in numbers, this is very, very important to insert the zeros. If you are missing any digits, then you must insert zeros according to that place. So remember, this is very, very important. And coming to the relationship between Indian system and international place value. See, I have a number. For suppose, take your father number or mother number. Now I am taking any number. 9, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So usually we will take 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Otherwise, and I want to represent this number using both the systems, Indian place value system as well as international place value system. So in Indian place value system, how I want to represent this number? Indian system and Coming to international system. Indian and international system of numeration. So how I should elaborate this number by using Indian place value system. 9, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So whatever number they are given, first note down. And in Indian place value system, how we have to insert the commas. Unit digit must have 3 digits. Remaining every places periods are having two digits. So 2, 2. That's all. So this number represents 4,568. Coming to international system for same number 9, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Now, in international system, every period is having 3 digits. Means we need to separate the 3 digits by using commas. 3 digits, 3 digits. Units, thousands, millions. So the number was 971,234,568. So just observe units place 568, 568. There is no change to reading also. Coming to the thousands place 4,568, 4,568, no problem. Coming to the 10,000 place 34,568, 34,568. Till 10,000, no change. Coming to the here 234,568 we must do. But here coming to this number 2,34,568 means from 6th digit onwards we will get the change. So till 5 digits there is no change in the both the place value system. From 6th digit onwards we are going to get the change. So how they are related? So for example for this one only observe 2 is in lakhs place, that means 2 lakhs here is equal to 2 is in which place? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 200,000. And coming to next one, this one is in 10 lakhs place. So 10 lakhs is equal to 1 is in millions place. 1 million. 7 is in crores place. 7 crores is equal to 7 is in which is million, 10 million, 100 million. So 10 million place. That is 70 million. And coming to 9. 9 is in crores, 10 crores. So 90 crores is equal to 900 million. So this is for this, only for this number I am explaining. Now take the place value system and observe the relation. We will understand very easy. Indian system of numeration. Indian place value system. And here international place value system. Observe it. What are the main periods? How does that change? Observe. So here we have units in the Indian place value system. Even in international place value system also units. 1, pence, 100. 3 digits. Here also 3 digits. 1, pence, 100. There is no change for these two places. So units are same in both the place values. Units are same. And coming to the thousand. Next place value is 1000. So here we have this Indian place value system, that is 1000, 10,000. So coming here, 1000 place value is having 3 digits, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So here it is comes for 1000, it is here only, and whereas it is coming for here. So just observe how they are related, I am going to show. Next, coming to the third one, lakhs. 2 places, lakhs, 10 lakhs. And coming to the here, millions place. Lakhs for 100,000. So lakhs for 100,000. 10 lakhs for millions. 10 million, 100 million. These are the 3 places. And coming to here, crores. Also having 2 places. Crores, 10 crores. So 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. And 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 10 crores is equal to 100 million. So just observe those two, then you will understand easily. So by observing this, till 5 digits. Once 10 to 100, once 10 to 100, there is no change. Coming to thousands, 10,000, then also no change. Till here both are same, 5 digits. Both numbers, how to read, that one is not changing. Coming to the 6th digit, that is lakh place, is equal to 100,000. That means from the above table, 1 lakh is equal to Indian place value system. I am writing this as international. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 for international place value system. And next, 10 lakh. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. And again, after 10 lakhs, we will get 1 crore and 10 crores in Indian place value system. Here coming to this 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, and 100 million. So very, very important to remember these relations. You are going to get bits also on this. So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million, 1 crore is equal to 10 million, 10 crores is equal to 100 million, and 100 crores is equal to 1 billion. 1 billion. So this one also important. 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. So these are the main relations which we are getting in both the systems, Indian system and international system. Once 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. There is no difference between those places for Indian and international system. Coming to the lakh place, that is 6th digit onwards, we are getting the difference. So 1 lakh of Indian system is equal to 100,000 in the international system. 10 lakhs will be equal to 1 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 10 crores is equal to 100 million. And 100 crores is equal to 1 billion. And 1 crore we can write as 100 lakhs also. 100 lakhs, that is 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 100 lakhs is equal to 10 million. And remember, if I gave the question, so just observe some of the points I will tell you. See, when I am writing Indian place value system, 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, like this I am getting. Once in the sense 1. Tens is 10. Hundreds is like this. 1000 and 10,000. 1 lakh. Let's start from right left side. See, each place value, when I am increasing the place, I am multiplying with 10. 1 into 10 is 10. 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. And 1000 into 10 is 10,000. 10,000 into 10 is 1 lakh. Means each time it is increases by 10 times. When I am moving left to right side, see, I need to multiply with 10 into 10. So 10. To get 100 place, the 10th place is multiplied with again 10. So 10 times are 100. Like that, each time it is increases by 10 times when we are moving from right to left. If we are moving left to right, that means suppose 10 lakhs to lakhs. So 10 lakhs. This is my number, 10 lakhs, and lakhs will come like this. So just observe, one of the zero was deducted while I am moving left to right. So left side to right side, whenever I am moving in each place value system, it is decreased by 1 by 10 times. And when I am moving right side to left side, it will be increases by 10 times. So remember these 2 points. As we move from left to right on the number line, the place value decreases by 1 by 10 times. As we move right to left side on the number line, in the place value system, that place increases by 10 times. So these are the main points to remember. And now 1 lakh is equal to, what will be the relation between Indian and how many millions? It is my, in this case, so you can, if you are taking the place value system, you can relate that 1 lakh is equal to, what is that, you can solve that. 1 lakh is equal to how many thousands? So 1 lakh is a fixed digit, and here fixed digit is 100,000. So if you don't know that, first of all elaborate 1 lakh, right? That number in Indian place value system. 1 lakh. Thousands I must write. So for 1000, I will get 3 zeros. 1, 10, 100. So thousands digit, I will get 3 zeros. So rate of 3 zeros. Rest divide by 1000. So these 3 zeros will get cancelled. Now what is the remaining number? 100. So like this, if you are doing, you can do any question. First of all, I will write 10 million is equal to dash in Indian place. So first so millions, thousands, units, thousands, 3 zeros, units, 3 zeros, 10 million. Now I want to write in Indian place value system. So I am writing all the digits first. So I am converting into Indian place value system. 3 zeros. Next 2 digits. Next digits. Units, thousands, lakhs, crores. So 10 millions is equal to 1 crore. So in this way we are going to perform. See, if they did not mention here place value, then you can write the number and their relation. 10 million is equal to 1 crore, otherwise 1 crore is equal to 10. Suppose I have written 100 millions. So 100 millions. Write the number 100 millions. Now translate it into Indian place value system. 3 zeros first we will take. Again 2 zeros. Next 2 zeros. Next 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Now which number it is read? Units, thousands, lakhs, crores. So 10 crores. So this is the way to write. Whenever you didn't understand, you did not remember the relation, so write in this way, then you won't confuse. You will get easily. Now coming to the next. 10 millions is equal to 10 millions is equal to dash lakhs I am asking, lakhs. So first of all write the 10 millions value. 10 million. So millions is an international system number. 10 million. For 1 lakh, how many zeros we will get? 5 zeros. 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh. So 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 4, 5. Completely will get cancelled. So 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs is nothing but 1. And next 5 lakhs is equal to how many thousands? 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Then 5 lakhs will be equal to how many thousands? 5 into 100,000. That is 500 lakhs. 500,000. So this is the way to perform different. If they are asking any relation between two value systems, this is the way to simplify the problem. Now coming to topic international place value. See, collect your phone numbers and write them in international place value. For suppose I am using 9342056712345678 9 10. Like this, I have one phone number. Then I want to write this number in the international place value system. So international place value system, how I should do system. How I have international place value system. So in the international place value system, each period must have 3 digits. So first of all, use the comma for every 3 digits. So take your mother number or mother's mobile number or father's mobile number and try yourself this one. So this is like millions. After the millions will be billions. So write the number 9 billion. So in billions plus 9 is there. 9 billion 342 million 342 million 056 is there in the thousands place. That means 56. 56,717. 717. So this is the way to write. If you have any mobile number, any number, try to write that number is in the international place value system and Indian place value system. Then how you will get the answer? Just if I took another number, so write it. First of all, take another mobile number 8470 like that I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 numbers. So separate again by using the commas. Units, thousand, millions and billions. So how to read this number? 8 billion 470 million 108,070. So I am writing 8 billion. 8 billion. In millions plus 470 I have. So 470 million. 470 million. 108,070. In units plus I have 70. So this is the way to write a number in Indian place value, international place value system. So next, first suppose I have given a number and I want to write in both the place value systems. Then how I should write? See, first suppose I'm giving a number. I'm not mentioning. Just I'm write the given numbers in words. So suppose I have mentioned like this: 7, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 4. Like this, I have written one number, and I use the commas. And I'm telling you to write this number in the words. So first of all, observe the digits, observe the commas, where are they inserted. So in unit digits, both the digits having 3 digits, there is no change. So for that case, observe the second place value, the second period, that is thousands period. Here in the thousands period, we have 3 digits, units, thousands. Thousands place, we are getting 3 digits. 3 digits in the sense it is comes under international place value system. So next period was million. So it is very simple. Then write in international place value system. So 71 million, 243,000, 564. 564. So in this way we can write the number even they did not mention the name. By observing the commas you can write. If they did not give commas, if they are asked, in that case they will mention in which system we need to write. So if I have mentioned the same number 7, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 4. Now I have given the commas in this way. So now just observe it is units. Thousands place is having only 2 digits. That means it is Indian place value system. So next period was lakhs, crores. So this number is 7 crores, 12 lakhs, 43,564. So this is the way to it is that system, and in that way you need to, if according to the commas you need to identify it is belongs to which system. After that you need to write in words. If the question, my question is, I given this number only and I'm asking you to represent in the both the systems, then I want to give commas. So in that case you have to insert the commas and you need to write in both the systems. So this is the way to write. Now for suppose I have given one of the numbers. So I have given one number like this. Okay. Now my question is, which type of number it is belongs to which type of place value system. So observe in each period it is having 3 digits. So it is compulsory belongs to international place value system. Now how to read this number? 302,179,468. That's all. Now my question is, which digit is there in units place? Which digit is represented in thousands place? 1, 10, 100, and 1000. So in this all have, so 9 is represented at, so my question is the digit at millions place. The digit at millions place is dash, and the digit at 10 millions place is which one? Right. And next, millions are there in this number. In this number. So observe 302,179,468. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and million, 10 million, 100 million. Now, which is in the millions place. So in millions place, which digit is there? 2. That was 2. And which digit is there in 10 millions place? So which digit is there in 10 millions place? 0. The digit is at the 100 place. Which digit is there in the 100 place? 4. And how many millions are there in this number? Till now, think on digit. How many millions are there in this number? Completely 100 number asking. So read that number, you will get the answer. 302 million. So millions we need. 302 millions are there in this number. 302 million, 179,000. How many millions are there? 102. This is the answer. So if they are changed the digits, you need to identify which digit is there in this 1000 place, that is 9. Which digit is there in the 10,000 place, that is 7. Which digit is there in the 100,000 place, that is 1. So like that you can and what is the value of 9,000. And start the giving 8964309. I did not get anything. Now I am asking you to write this number in both the systems, that is Indian place value system as well as international place value system. Indian place value system. So how I must write in the Indian place value system and international place value system. Same number I want to write. International place value system. So now, first before writing, we need to separate the periods of that number by using comma. 89643090. So use commas to separate the periods. In Indian place value system, only unit place is having 3 digits. Remaining every period is having 2 places. Unit, thousand, crore. So now the number is 8 crore 96 lakh 96 43,092. 92. So this is we have represented in Indian place value system. Coming to international place value system. The same number 8964309. International place value system. What is the main rule? Each period is having 3 digits. So separate the periods by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 89 million, 89 million, 643,000, 643,092. So these are the things to remember how when we are writing in both the systems like this we need to write. So remember according to the question, if they are asking to value how we will that is we have till 10,000 there is no change. So 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Otherwise 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Okay, and then 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. And another relation, 10 millions is equal to 1 crore. And 100 lakhs is equal to 10 million. And 100 millions is equal to 10 crores. And 1 billion is equal to 1 billion is equal to 100 crores. So these are the main points. These are the we remember. We need to remember different types. What is the relation between two place value system? This is the main important relation. So if you are unable to remember this, then whatever question they have asked, for suppose I have asked 5 lakhs is equal to dash thousand. I want to represent it. In this case, 5 lakhs right first. So 5 lakhs this one. And 1,000 divide with the 1,000. 1,000 is having 0. Then will get cancelled. That is 500. So 1 is equal to 100,000. If you know the relation, directly can write the you perform this. So that's what I want. Indian place value system, international place value system, and how to represent the numbers in both the systems, and what is the relation between Indian and international system. Take few examples, few problems your own, take your mobile number or whatever, and try to write in both Indian systems and international systems those numbers. We'll continue the topic tomorrow.